183 Estate Hermon Hill, the neighborhood I actually grew up in. I lived right over on that hill right there. Great neighborhood, super quiet, close to town, central location. You can kind of see there's a solar system on this house. You can see that black edge right there. Those are the solar panels that are on this house. There's a 40 kW battery system as well. On the upper level, you've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Downstairs, you've got 2 unfinished apartments, or 1 if you wanted to make it 1, and a workshop. The owner also recently put in a new monument for a power head. You could, if you wanted to put double meters, so that or even triple meters. Right now, it's got a single meter there. That could be relocated onto this monument. You can see your new lead coming in, and then each apartment could have, if there's 2 apartments, you'd have 3 meters. If it was 1 apartment, you'd have 2 meters. But that could be an upgrade you could do later. Nice big yard, lots of parking space. And then here's the workshop where the batteries are. And a lot of the exterior doors have these nice digital keypads on them, which are super convenient. No key required. Big workshop, lots of bench space. Here's 2 N-phase batteries. Each one of these is 20 kW, so you got a total of 40 kW. You've got your inverter, charge controller, another N-phase box, a new panel there, water filtration, ultraviolet, cistern pump. Nice big room here. Access to a lot of your plumbing. As you can see, this is a concrete slab, which is the main living floor level. Got a floor drain in case you have a little leakage or something in here. And then off to this side are 2 doors, which could be, like I said before, 2 apartments or 1 larger apartment. So what you would do is you'd put up a wall here where this bond beam is, and this would be your dividing point, where this would be an efficiency with the front door. That would be another efficiency with the front door. Kind of mirror images. This owner's leaving behind all the extra tile and all the tile that was going to be used for this apartment upgrade and finish out. You've got your plumbing for your bathroom, kitchen, etc. in here already in place. That's looking back to the workshop there. This would make a great apartment. You got some windows for light, individual front doors, or this could become a living room here in between and have 2 bedrooms. Again, you can see the plumbing on the wall there. Obviously, the owner's got a lot of stuff in storage now in preparation for selling. So a good opportunity to create a little rental income or extra guest space. Great setup. Something I like a lot too is he's capturing his air conditioning condensation into this bucket, and he uses that to water the plants. Nothing like recycling. Then here's your entrance into the driveway. As you can see, lots of parking. You got some fruit trees here, some cactus, cool palm tree. Ooh, soursop. Check this one out. That's a great fruit. Those, when they're ripe, are super sweet. You can see some more of the solar panels up there. And then so you could park here, or if this container wasn't here, you could park on the upper level. Got steps leading up on this side. And then as we come up to the top, so you could pull up here and you could enter at this level, right at the front door level. If you prefer to hang your clothes, you got your clothesline out here. Nice walkway leads around to the other side of the house. Super nice, freshly painted, totally renovated. Impact glass windows, except for 2 on the upper level, are not. And depending on the offer, this container could be part of the deal. It's a nice, seaworthy 20-foot container. It's in really good shape. So depending on the offer, the owner might consider leaving that behind, which would be a big bonus. Nice entry patio. There's your stairs from the lower parking. Got your grill set up. And that's a side door into the laundry pantry. Cool. All right, let's go and take a look inside. Brand new fiberglass door with digital keypad. In fact, all the upstairs exterior doors are fiberglass. As you come in, immediately to the left is the laundry room with a folding table with the side door which leads to the lower parking. And to the right is a half bath, conveniently located right off of the living room. Great setup, great layout. Expansive, comfortable living area, as I believe Ms. Scheuer would agree. Mini split Mitsubishi high efficiency AC unit. And then off to the left is the kitchen and dining. Beautiful kitchen, all new. Stainless steel appliances, water dispenser, ice maker, double sink. Really nicely done. Brand new electrical panel. I mean, this house has been renovated completely on the upper level. This area here, they've got set up more as of an office family area. Would make a perfect dining room. You could easily seat 8 in here with a rectangle table going this way. And it'd be right off the kitchen. That would really be an awesome modification. Got a patio out here, and then the bedrooms are on this west side of the house. So you've got a guest bedroom with a queen size bed and your closet, extra storage above. And then the second guest bedroom, also a queen size bed. This one's a little bit smaller than the other bedroom, but still decent. And then closet and storage above as well. 2 linen closets in the hallway, one here, and then the guest bath. Beautifully tiled, all new cabinetry, fixtures, toilet. As you can see, it's very stylish and very new. And then I think Blake's in here taking some pictures in the master bedroom, but the master bedroom, as you can see, is massive. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Lots of light and windows, so if you wanted to shut the AC off and live in the open air, lots of cross flow here. Another Mitsubishi split. And these owners run the AC 24 hours a day here, 7 days a week. The solar system produces enough power that you don't really have to worry about power here at all. And with those battery systems, you don't need a generator either. They are your generator. Gorgeous master bath, tile, granite countertop. Super bright and roomy. And then there's a side door actually to the patio. We'll go out this way. Off the master, then you can come out directly to the outdoor patio. And you look across the Hermon Hill neighborhood. This was a door that went into that dining room kitchen area. They decided to close it off, and but you could reopen that. You could put the door back and have a real nice access directly to the dining, because a lot of people will dine out here as well. So you could have indoor dining, outdoor dining. And then back into the living room. So a real nice setup, super nice house, brand new, great neighborhood, ready to go. You just got to decide what you want to do downstairs with the conversion of the apartment. So you're going to make 2 efficiencies, you're going to make it a 2-bedroom, maybe make it just storage or guest space, that's up to you, but a lot of options with that. In the meantime, you've got a beautiful home upstairs to live in and enjoy with your family. So if you want to check it out, give us a holler. Love to show it to you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye. Sailing takes me away. See you later.